loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my everyday foundation routine. If you guys want to see it, keep watching. So as y'all see, this pimple doesn't want me to be great, but that's alright. So I'm going in with a skin smoother, and I'm just going to apply this with a small brush over my face, and this is just going to help my foundation blend a lot smoother and help everything just be a little bit more flawless. Then I'm going in with a color corrector, and this is going to be something that helps brighten up those dark areas on my face, like around my mouth and under my eyes and on my eyelids as well. And I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender. I really love my beauty blender. You want to make sure it's damp. Of course, mine wasn't a little bit in this clip, so I was struggling a bit, but once I flipped it over, it was a lot better to work with. So yes, this is what we're looking like, honey, with just a little bit of color correction. So now I'm going in with foundation from MAC. As y'all seen from my last foundation video, I did not have a color match with them, but they finally came out with the NC47, and I am so happy. I mean, even if it doesn't work, this is the closest I'm going to get in the Studio Fix, and I am so happy. But beware that the NC47 powder is a lot darker, which I'll show in this video, and I use it to contour actually. So I'm just going in with this Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out. And I've been using this one for years, y'all. As you see, it's like hella old, and I need to replace it, but it's been my ride or die for a while now, so I definitely need to update it. So I'm just going to blend everything out. So now I'm going in with my concealer. As you see, I love this concealer. I'm almost out. I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, upper lip, and chin. Very simple, you guys. And then I'm just going to go ahead again and blend it out with that beauty blender. I really love my beauty blender, y'all. Like, this thing is just like awesome sauce. So again, just blend it out. It's just a lot of blending, 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 blending. Going in with MAC's NC42. Now this concealer is a little bit thicker, and it's a shade lighter than what I usually go for everyday basis, but for like pictures and stuff like that, I like to have a little bit of extra highlight. So again, under my eyes, down my nose, forehead, upper lip, and chin. Now with this, you guys, you definitely want to kind of stay in the area where your concealer is and try not to blend it out too much. And it's very, very, very important, you guys, that you get the edges of the concealer. Like, that is like the biggest thing with me. The edges of concealer, like the edges of everything, like the edges of your eyeshadow, the edges of your blush, like the edges of everything. Everything should be blended. Like, blend that shit. So now I'm going in with my Sacha Cosmetics powder, and I really like this because it's just finely milled, and I like the yellow undertone, and there's no flashback, like dead ass, there's no flashback. So I like to just apply this with the same beauty blender that I used for my concealers and stuff, and just kind of blend it in and just work it into my skin, and just use the excess for like under my contour, because I feel like we naturally, as women of color, we naturally contour when we highlight. So yeah, I just blend it all out, you guys. Blend it, blend it, blend it. So now I'm going in with a brush just to, you know, make sure the edges and stuff are really smooth. Everything blends out really well. I'm going with the NC47 powder, and as you see, you guys, this is not the same color as the foundation, but if you're the NC47 foundation skin tone, this will be a great contour color for you. So that's probably maybe why they did that. So it'll be a good match for you. So I love it as a contour. And I'm just going around the edges of my face. So now I'm contouring my nose just with this little brush here, and I'm just going around. And I also like to use that small brush to go around the edges and just make sure that my frontal and everything blends. And to close everything out, we're going to go in with that brush again and just make sure everything is smooth and blended. And you can finish this off with any eye look you want to do in your brows, and you're all set. If you guys want to see a makeup tutorial on this look, leave me a pink heart below and I promise to get that up for you guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram where I do plenty of other looks, and I'll see you guys in my next video.